In this part, we are going to focus on the string, and the string can be enclosed by single quote or double quote. And the first one is just like this. We can type hello, and then we use the single quotes to enclose the string. And the second one is we use the double quote, and then we can execute. Both of them can output the string hello. And why do we need the single quote and double quote? So for example, if you want the single quote as part of the string, you have to use the double quote, which is different from single quote. Otherwise, it will close the at here. So for example, if we change this to single quotes, there will be a problem. So we have to use double quotes to enclose the string. So now it can output let's go. So in the opposite, you have to use the single quotes to enclose those parts that you want to be the string, because this time you want the double quote as part of the string. So we have to use single quote. And there is a built-in function which is a print. Why do we need this? Because for example, if we execute hello1 and hello2, it will just output hello2. And if you have the print functions, you can output both of them, hello1 and hello2. And this is the first part that we talk about the escape character. So actually, besides that, we have to use the double quotes to enclose the single quotes, and vice versa. We can still use the double quote within the double quote. To solve this problem, we just need to use the escape character, and this is the escape character in Python. So if you look at this, this is the escape character. You can have /n or /arrow. They have different functions. So we can look at this in later. So for example, we execute this one. You can see we still have the double quote as part of the string. And we can print another line by using the /. It will print at a new line. For example, user /Peter, and then we shift enter. You can see the Peter in the next line. And we can also use /tab. This is /t, which is the result is tab. So we can go to here and put a /t, and then we can execute. And now you can see there is a tab in between. And there are also another built-in function, which is the track length, the string length or the array length. But this is a string. It will check how many characters. For example, if you check the length of hello, you will get 5 because there are 5 characters. If you check the length of hello world, you will get 11. You can see this is 5 characters, but the space also occupy 1 character. So this is 11 characters.